Light up your nighttime adventures with your canine companion. No more fumbling with flashlights or wearing a headlamp. Night walks with your dog just got a whole lot easier. Meet the dog leash that's more than just a leash. Introducing Lumi Dog Leashes, the thoughtfully designed leash for perfectly lit night walks with your dog. It's the first patent-pending nylon dog leash with an integrated flashlight. Equipped with a Velcro-secured sleeve, this leash features a lightweight flashlight that fits snug and stays in place. It casts wide-angle lighting for greater visibility, helping you keep an eye on your surroundings. Perfect for nighttime or early morning walks. And to ensure you're always visible, the leash has over 5 feet of reflective stitching, so you are seen and safe, even in low light. And Lumi Dog Leashes are made with the strongest and durable materials that give you reliable performance for years to come. It has a soft neoprene handle for comfort, a swivel clip for easy maneuvering, and the option for a leash with or without a bungee and traffic handle. Just a few more ways to keep you safe. And did we mention the leash is perfect for dogs of all sizes? So, why settle for an ordinary dog leash? Take your walks to the next level with the revolutionary Lumi Dog Leash. Your dog will thank you.